हरि ओम. गीताभ्यासे 2-6 न चैतद्विद्मः प्लस 2-7 कार्पण्यदोषोप and 2-8 न हि प्रपश्यामि by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Thursday, April 16th, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namanavakyam. ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्. ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः. न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयो यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामस्तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नं न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्. You may pause the video here, note down the shlokas and do padachhedaha by yourself. This time I have thought of rolling padachhedaha, vakyapadiyabhyasaha, shabdabhyasaha, anvayarthaha all together. I hope this will help to see them all relative to each other and hence will prove a better method of study. Nacha etad vidmaha, and we do not know this etad. Vidmaha, vid chaturthaganiyaha parasmepadi, to know. Lat lakara, uttama purushaha bahuvachanam. Kataran nahagariyaha, what is better for us? Kataran, what or which? Naha, asmat, chaturthi, bahuvachanam, for us. Gariyaha, comparative of guru, weightier, better. Yat vajayema, whether we should win. Jayema, ji dhatu, prathamaganiyaha panaspevati, to win. Tasya vidyarthe, uttama purushaha, bahuvachanam. Yadi va naha jayeyu, or they should win over us, defeat us. Naha asmad dvitiya bahochanam. See here, naha is asmad dvitiya bahochanam. Earlier, in kataran naha gariyaha, naha is asmad chaturthi bahochanam. Naha asmad dvitiya bahochanam. Jayeyuhu, ji, prathamaganiyaha parasmaipadi, to win, to defeat. Vidyarthe prathama purushaha bahuvachanam. Now see, Jayema was Vidyarthe uttama purusha bahuvachan. We win. And Jayeyuhu, they win. Because prathama purushaha bahuvachanam. If they win, they defeat us. So those who are defeated become the karma padam, object word. That is why here naha, object word, karma padam, is in dvitiya bahuvachanam. Yan hatva, by killing whom? Na eva jijivishamaha, we do not even wish to stay alive. Jijivishamaha, jiva, prathamaganiyaha parasmaipadi, to live. Tasya sannantasya icharthakasya uttama purushaha bahuvachanam. Jijivishamaha. Te dhartarashtraha pramukhe avasthitaha. Those very sons and relatives of Dhritarashtra or Dhartarashtra can be considered to be an inclusive word, to include all those who are on the side of Dhartarashtra, that is Duryodhana, those who have positioned themselves in front of us. Pramukhe, Pramukha, facing. Tasya saptami ekvachanam. Pramukhe, if Pramukha, leading, important, can be taken as prenominal adjective, सार्वनामिकं विशेषणं, then प्रमुखे पुल्लिंगं प्रथमा बहुवचनं, the prominent ones, अवस्थिताः, positioned in a stance, अवस्थित क्तांतम of अव plus स्था, प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, to position in a stance, अत्र पुल्लिंगं प्रथमा बहुवचनम्। कार्पण्यदोषोपहतस्वावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः। Now let us see word by word. कार्पण्यदोषोपहतस्वावः, कार्पण्यम् इति दोषः, तेन उपहतः स्वभावः, स्वस्य भावः, यस्य सः कार्पण्यदोषोपहतस्वभावः। कार्पण्यम, compassion. Karpanya-doshopatha-svabhava, whose inherent nature is affected by the fault of being compassionate. Inherent nature, svabhavaha. Upahataha, affected by the fault, doshaha, of being compassionate, karpanya. Dharma sammudha chetaha, dharma vishaye, yuktacharana vishaye, sammudham chetaha, yasya saha, dharma sammudha chetaha. Dharma sammudha chetaha, one whose mind is confused about right conduct. Tvam pruchhami, I am asking you. Yet shreyasyat, what will be benevolent? Shreyaha, shreyas, benevolent. Syat, as, द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी, to be, विध्यर्थे प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्। निश्चितं ब्रूहि तत्मे, tell me what you would have thoughtfully concluded. Nishchitam, tat me bruhi, tell me that what you have ascertained, thoughtfully concluded. Nishchitam, nishchitam, thoughtfully concluded. Bruhi, bru, द्वितीय गणीयः उभयपदी, to tell. अत्र परस्मैपदी, लोट लकारः मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम्। मे, अस्मत्, चतुर्थी एकवचनम्। unto me. अहं ते शिष्यः अस्मि. I have supplemented the verb अस्मि. Because the subject word is aham. Aham te शिष्यः अस्मि. I am your disciple. ते, युष्मत्, षष्ठी एकवचनम्। Earlier ते अवस्थिताः, they, that was of tat sarvanam pulling prathama bahuvachan. Here te yushma sarvanam षष्ठी एकवचन। शिष्यः, ण्यत् of shish, सप्तमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, to distinguish from others. शाधि माम त्वाम प्रपन्नम, please take charge of me. Who is at your feet? शाधि, शास, द्वितीय गणीयः परस्मैपदी, to administer. तस्य लोट लकारः मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम्। प्रपन्नम, पुल्लिंगम द्वितीय एकवचनम्। of प्रपन्न, द्वितीय एकवचनम् of प्रपन्न. प्रपन्न is तांतम of प्रप्लस पद, to arrive at, to take resolve to submit. All are one after another the cascading derived meanings. Nahi prapashyami, I do not see. Yat mama shokam uchchoshanam indriyanam apanudyat, what will drive away my distress and weakness of my limbs. Distress is mental, weakness of limbs is physical. So what will drive away my mental distress and physical weakness? Shokam, shok, distress. पुल्लिंगम द्वितीय एकवचनम, from धातुः शुच, प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, to lament. So शोक derived from धातुः शुच becomes distress. उच्छोषणम, उत् plus शोषणम, उत् plus शुष धातुः, चतुर्थगणीयः परस्मैपदी, to dry. अपनुद्यात्, अप plus नुद, षष्ठम गणीयः परस्मैपदी, to drive away. Up, दूर, away, and nud, to drive. Push, nudge, In fact, nud and nudge, you see how close they are. So looks like nudge has been derived from nud. आशीर्लिंग प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम् अपनुद्यात्. भूमौ असपत्नं रुद्धं राज्यं सुराणाम् आधिपत्यञ्च अवाप्य अपि. Even by getting unrivaled flourishing sovereignty on earth and reign or supremacy over Suranam, the gods. Now we will go into the words. Bhumau, on earth. Asapatnam, na sapatnam iti asapatnam. Sapatnam, rivaled. Asapatnam, unrivaled. Ruddham, ruddha, kantam of ruddh. Chaturthaganiyaha va panchamaganiyaha parasmepadi, to prosper, flourish. Suranam, sura shashti bahuvachan. सुष्ठु राति इति सुरः. रा द्वितीय गणीय परस्मैपदी, टू गिफ्ट, टू बिस्टो. सुष्ठु राति, वन हु बिस्टोज द बेस्ट, ही इज सुर. And in turn, God. But the derivation of the word sura itself is interesting. Sushtu rati iti sura, one who bestows the best. Adhipatyam, supremacy. Adhipatehe idam iti adhipatyam. Adhikaha patihi iti adhipati. Patihi, supreme, master. Avapya, lebantam of ava plus ap, panchamaganiyaha parasmepadi, to get, obtain, to acquire. It comes to mind that the phrases 7, 7a and 7b should rather be read as 7, 7b, 7a. I do not see getting unrivaled flourishing sovereignty on earth and supremacy among the bestowers. If these also will not, what else will drive away my mental distress and my physical weakness? Chando Vishleshanam. There are ekadashakshārani in each quarter. Nachaitad vidmaha kataranno gariyo. The matra are eka dve dve, dve eka eka, dve dve eka, dve dve. Yabha tag. And then yadva jayema, yadyavano jayeyuhu. Dve dve eka, dve eka eka, eka dve dve, eka dve dve. Tabhata gaga. Even first two quarters are not identical. So question of checking all the quarters one by one should not be required. Prathamau dvau padaveva vishamau. First two quarters are not identical. So like that, let us see whether how we get the patterns for the first two padas of each shloka. Karpanya doshopahata swavaha. Dve dve eka, dve dve eka, eka dve eka, dve dve. Tataja gaga. This seems to be conforming to one of those earlier metrical analysis that we did. पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः. द्वे द्वे द्वे, द्वे द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे. म तत गग. प्रथमौ द्वौ पादावेव विषमौ. न हि प्रपश्यामि ममाप्नुद्यात्. एका द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे एका, एका द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे. जत ज गग. यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणां. द्वे द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे एका, एका द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे. ततज गग. प्रथमौ द्वौ पादावेव विषमौ. वृत्तः सर्वेषाम् उपजातिवृत्तं सर्वेषां श्लोकानाम्. Notes of self-study, Swadhyaya. Arjuna saying that his mental distress and physical weakness cannot be driven away even with unrivaled and flourishing sovereignty on earth and even with supreme capability to gift, maybe capability to give to oneself peace and physical strength. This is exaggeration as figure of speech. Atishayoktyalankarah. Etymology of Shishya is from Shish, to distinguish, suggests that it is the responsibility of Acharya to assess learning aptitude distinctively for every Shishya. Shish, distinctive, and impart education to each Shishya according to his aptitude. This is a great thought for a good system of education. Shadhimam Tvam Prapannam also suggests that Shishya also should have great respect unto Acharya. Why should Acharya care for Shishya who is not respectful? In saying Yat Shreyasyan Nishitam Bruhitan Me, Arjuna has left it to Sri Krishna to decide what is Shreyas, benevolent. This also means that all of advice by Sri Krishna is for Shreyas, for anyone who so studied. That is a great hint about how and why to study Gita. Because in Gita, Sri Krishna advises what will be Shreyas. That is what Arjuna asked for. What else do we need for either? Link. YouTube has a facility to post comments. But I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601 at 101.com at gmail.com. Shubhamastu.